Welcome to Crypto Scholar. In today's episode, we'll dive into the world of airdrops and discover how you can earn anywhere from $10 to $200 daily. Airdrops provide an opportunity to receive free cryptocurrency, and we'll explore the steps you need to take to claim them successfully. Disclaimer: this script is for educational purposes only. Cryptocurrency investments carry risks. We do not endorse specific projects and are not responsible for any loss or damage. Exercise caution and conduct your own research when participating in airdrops or claiming forked coins. Segment 1: Airdrops Explained. Airdrops serve as a method for new cryptocurrency projects to build a community and generate interest. By giving away a portion of a new token to existing cryptocurrency holders, these projects can attract users and establish a strong foundation. To qualify for an airdrop, you typically need to hold a certain amount of cryptocurrency in your wallet. Additionally, you may be required to follow the project on social media or complete other specified tasks. While airdrops can provide free cryptocurrency, it's crucial to keep a few key points in mind. Firstly, there is no guarantee that the airdrop token will hold any significant value. Secondly, claiming airdrops can sometimes be time-consuming. Lastly, it's essential to remain cautious of scams that attempt to steal your cryptocurrency by requesting your private key. Segment 2: The world of forked coins. Forked coins come into existence when a blockchain of a particular cryptocurrency splits into two separate chains. This division can occur due to various reasons, such as developer disagreements or the implementation of new features. During a fork, holders of the original cryptocurrency typically receive the forked coin on a 1:1 basis. For example, if you held 1 BTC during the Bitcoin Cash fork, you would have received 1 BCH as well. Forked coins can be an excellent way to acquire free cryptocurrency, but it's important to be aware of a few factors. Firstly, the forked coin may not possess any significant value. Secondly, claiming forked coins can be technically challenging and time-consuming. Lastly, it's crucial to stay cautious of scams that attempt to steal your cryptocurrency by requesting your private key. Segment 3: Participating in airdrops and claiming forked coins. To participate in airdrops and claim forked coins, you have several options. One approach is to follow cryptocurrency exchanges and projects on social media platforms. These channels often announce airdrops and forked coins in advance, providing you with an opportunity to prepare. Another way to participate is by utilizing airdrop tracking websites. These platforms compile a list of upcoming airdrops and provide instructions on how to claim them. Additionally, joining cryptocurrency communities can grant you access to information about upcoming airdrops and provide support throughout the claiming process. Segment 4: Conclusion and Tips. In conclusion, airdrops and forked coins present a valuable opportunity to acquire free cryptocurrency. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research before participating in any airdrop or claiming any forked coin. Scams exist, so exercise caution when sharing your private key. If you're interested in engaging in airdrops and claiming forked coins, I recommend conducting extensive research on the topic. Numerous online resources are available to help you get started. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind when participating in airdrops and claiming forked coins. Only engage in airdrops from reputable projects. Never share your private key with anyone. Practice patience, as claiming airdrop tokens or forked coins can take time. Keep a close eye on the cryptocurrency market, as the value of airdrop tokens or forked coins can fluctuate dramatically. Thank you for joining us today on Crypto Scholar. Stay tuned for more informative episodes on cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and other related topics.